guys, welcome back to Snapshot Medical Kitchen. We're going to do a quick cheat days episode. We're going to be making one of my favorite meals. It is a ground chicken burger, but stuffed with chorizo and cheddar. It's something weird that I just came up with, and I made it a couple times. People seem to like it, so I hope you guys enjoy and try it out as well. So here we go, chorizo stuffed chicken burgers.
Beats music.
Alright, so we have our mixed meat here with all of our seasoning and everything. So just going to take your portion. We're making 3 burgers out of a pound. So try to take around a little bit less than a third of the meat. Make a little patty in your hands. And then we're going to push the inside. Push the inside, but don't make it too thin. And keep that circular pattern, but push the inside. That's where we're going to put our stuffing. Push it in, and see how you have a nice thick patty, but a little bit of a filling, space for your filling. And then I'll put that filling in there, and then we'll cover it with a little bit more meat.